Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to discuss a new topic from the orthodontic subject of the final year BDS. So today's topic of discussion is the biology of the tooth movement. So biology of the tooth movement. Tooth movement is a basically movement of the tooth when it comes to the orthodontic treatment. Okay. So for that, what is important thing is the PDL structure. So what is the PDL structure and what is its function that we have covered already in the previous video. If you have not watched that, please go through it once. Okay, now here comes the tooth movement. So there are the two types of the tooth movement. One is the physiologic tooth movement and second one is orthodontic tooth movement. Okay, so basically the physiologic tooth movement is, first one is a tooth eruption and stabilization, then after the migration and the drift, and then after change in the position during the mastication. These all are the physiologic tooth movement which occurs by its own. And orthodontic tooth movement, which we are forcing it, we are applying the force in order to take place that particular movement or particular टूथ का मूवमेंट के लिए फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं, दैट इज ऑर्थोडोंटिक tooth movement. Okay, now in the physiologic tooth movement there are the various theories. Okay, so they are called as the theories of tooth eruption. So what are they? So first one is the pedial traction, hammock ligament or pedial traction. Then after second one would be the bony remodeling, then after the blood pressure theory and the root growth. Eventually we will discuss it in the detail, each and every one of them, but for now we are discussing only the highlights. Okay, then after the in orthodontic tooth movement, the biological control of tooth movement or the theories of tooth movement, how the tooth is moved or movement of the tooth has been created. So first one would be the pressure tension theory by Swartz. Then after the blood flow theory by Bain, and bone remodeling or the piezoelectric theory by the Bomerin. So these are the three important theories when it comes to the orthodontic tooth movement. So these are the three theories which are the important one. Okay, so you may get the question on the pressure tension theory by the Swartz for 3 marks, as well as the bone remodeling, bone bending or the piezoelectric theory. Sorry, it's a bone bending or piezoelectric theory by Boundary. You can get the small answer question on these as well. Okay, then after, what is types of tooth movement? So here also you get one small answer question for the 3 marks in the orthodontics paper. So what is it? So types of the tooth movement are, first one is a translational of the bodily movement. Means if this is a tooth, no, so this is tooth, so whole tooth will be moved. Translation of the particular thing from one to another, that is the translational. Then after tipping, control tipping and uncontrolled tipping. Tipping is only the tilting movement of the tooth. Suppose this is a tooth and this is only tilting in this way, crown is only tilted. Okay, so that is the tipping. Then after the rotational movement, rotational movement itself signifies that the rotation of the tooth. Then after the intrusion and the extrusion. Intrusion is socket के अंदर जाना tooth का, और extrusion is उल्टा, occlusal movement. Intrusion is apical movement and extrusion is outward occlusal movement. Then after uprighting and the talking. So these are the basic questions on that. Okay, so these are the main basic concept about the tooth movement, biology of the tooth movement. And here are some of the important questions that may arise in the question paper, like, so theories of tooth movement. Okay, so theories of tooth movement would be the question there. Then after histological tissue changes, then after types of tooth movement as we have already discussed, then after optimum orthodontic force, undermining resorption or the bone resorption. These are the small answer question for the 3 marks, and these are the LQ question could be asked for the 10 marks on that. Of course the question could be on the combination of the various theories or the various activities like that, but so these are the main topics for the LQ, and these all are for the small answer question. Now the piezoelectrical theory, we are going to discuss it in the detail in the upcoming videos, but here is the only overview of the chapter. So these are the important points where question could be asked. Then after the envelope of discrepancy, factor affecting the center of resistance. Then after undermine of frontal resistance, as we have said earlier. Now here is the resistance, center of resistance, center of gravity, center of mass. So these are the different terms when it comes to the physics. Okay, these are the physics ka terms, but here also they are playing the important role. So basically this is all about the biology of the tooth movement. This is a basic concept or the minimum thing that you must know when you are starting the study about the biology of the tooth movement. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next lecture. If you like the video, please like the video. Then after comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time.